Let's be honest, if you are struggling to hit your 4,000 public watch hours, I promise you are not alone. It took me a while too before I could get that, but today I'm going to show you how I finally achieve it fast, without running ads, without any promotion. This same method has already helped hundreds of creators right here on YouTube to reach their first 4,000 watch hour and hit 1,000 subscribers, monetize their channels, all with zero budget. So if you are out there, you've been trying and it feels like it's taking forever, please pay close attention to everything I'm going to share with you in this video. I'm giving you the exact steps I use and you can do it too. With that said, let's get straight into it. So if you are aiming to get your 4,000 watch hour, you need to understand what actually counts. A lot of new YouTubers make this mistake. They post a lot of shorts, hoping those watch hours will count towards monetization. But here is the truth. Shorts don't count for your 4,000 public watch hour. It is your long form video. Those are what help you get monetized. So today, we are focusing on how to use your long form content to build your watch hours without spending a dime. So the number one strategy is simple. Create videos that make people want to stay and watch more. So don't post videos where people are clicking away after the first 15 to 30 seconds. YouTube notices that, and if your video loses viewers quickly, the algorithm would push it out. Instead, focus on making videos that hook viewers and keep them watching longer. This will massively increase your watch hours. Another powerful thing you can do is video compilation. I've seen both small and big channels use this. Take related videos from your channel, compile them into a longer video and post it as one valuable piece of content. You don't need to spend money, no expensive editing. You just have to smartly combine existing content. It works. You can use tools like CapCut or any video editing software to combine 2 or 3 videos together that you've done before. I applied this on my faith-based faceless channel and trust me, it works like magic. I accumulated more watch hours and it hit me 3,000 watch hours in 2 months. So the next thing I want to mention is you need to understand the upload formula that increases watch hour. You need to hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. Get them interested by delivering the problem, not the solution at the start. No, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Get straight into why they click. This might actually work for people with wider audience, which their audience understood their pattern. If you are not sure how to write a great hook, my dear, tools like ChatGPT can even help you generate one. Just paste in your title and ask for hook ideas. Make ChatGPT your friend. Make it your content strategy expert. One thing about this AI tool is garbage in and garbage out. In other words, it delivers to you what to input into it. So use it wisely to draft hooks and also content structuring. Another thing is the use of timestamps and chapters. This tip is gold. Timestamp break your video into sections, which makes it easier for viewers to stay engaged. Plus, if you write them using searchable keywords, they can even help new viewers discover your videos. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is playlists. Don't just create a playlist and leave it sitting there. Use it wisely. Combine related videos under strong searchable playlist titles. When someone clicks on a playlist, they are likely to watch multiple videos of yours in a row, giving you even more watch hour times. And always link playlists in your video description. This helps with YouTube recommendation and keeps viewers on your channel. Now, another one is end screen and card. End screen appear at the end of your video and you can promote 2 playlists and 1 or 2 videos there. Also, cards appear during your video. When you're speaking on your video, you can upload up to 5 of them. Can guide viewers to more of your content. Using these features properly helps boost your watch time and makes your video more discoverable. And one last important thing, study your audience retention. Go into YouTube analytics and see where people are dropping off. If viewers are leaving during your intro, it's time to change it. If they are skipping certain parts, improve that section. This is how you refine your videos and keep people watching longer. And more watch time means faster monetization. So the bonus tip I want to give you, you can also go live stream or restream your content to accumulate watch hour using a free tool. So if you want me to create a video to show you step-by-step tutorial how to restream your video, if you are into faceless channel or non-faceless channel, drop a comment so I will create that for you. If you follow these steps that I mentioned, long form content, great hooks, adding chapter, the playlist, end screen, and keep improving your audience retention, you will hit that 4,000 watcher milestone. I'm a living proof, and I didn't need a viral video. I wasn't super consistent, but these strategies work when you apply them. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment below, and share this to other people so that they can learn too. And of course, subscribe for more tips like this. I will see you in the next video.